Bonjour, I'm Shibani. I teach French to students online for all classes across different boards and curriculum. Also for language enthusiasts who could even be beginners. Academically, I hold a master's in French from the University of Madras and bachelor's in English literature from Ethiraj College in Chennai. I have a DELF B1 with a score of 84.5 and have cleared NET exam with a score of 68%. And I have qualified for being an assistant professor and also for the JRF. To keep improving my proficiency levels and develop my learning, I attend online webinars and workshops in my fields, and most of my classes are via online platforms. I also use varied online applications for learning and teaching. For the last 1 year, I have been tutoring over 10 students from different curriculums and backgrounds. I also train students for international exams such as the DELF, TEF, etc. As far as my teaching style goes, I like to mix humor in my teaching and keep my sessions interactive. I encourage doubts from my students all the times. Sometimes even post class hours, there are doubts clearing sessions that I hold. There is also an extensive use of visual aids and presentations as part of my class. I ensure that all my students understand the complete concept and get things right before proceeding to the next lesson. The learning curve of different students varies, and therefore my attention is focused individually on each one as per their speed and need. Not only will a student gain proficiency in French in my classes, but will also discover the beauty of the language beyond the curriculum. Sulekha's eLearn gives you a wonderful opportunity to learn subjects with the most advanced means and from experts like me. It's easy and very flexible to make learning really helpful and would be perfect for all your exams, keeping your syllabus in mind, of course.